Dear friends, welcome to our channel. Let's make them easy. আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করতে যাচ্ছি বিসিএস রিলেটেড একটি টপিক কোটেশন নিয়ে। আমরা জানি যে প্রতিটি বিসিএসে কোটেশন থেকে একটি দুইটি করে প্রশ্ন হয়েই থাকে। বিখ্যাত সব লেখকদের লেখনগুলোর মধ্য থেকেই কোটেশনগুলো আসে। সুতরাং আজকের কোটেশনগুলো অনেক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। সো স্টে উইথ মি। Democracy is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Abraham Lincoln. All in the Valley of Death wrote the 600, Alfred Tennyson. Man is a political animal, Aristotle. Poverty is the parent of revolution and crime, Aristotle. Death is so called is a thing which makes men weep, and yet a third of life is passed in sleep, Lord Byron. A little learning is a dangerous thing, Alexander Pope. Fools rush in where angel fared to tread, Alexander Pope. Order is heaven's first law, Alexander Pope. To err is human, to forgive is divine, Alexander Pope. To be angry is to revenge the faults of others on ourselves, Alexander Pope. Sweets are uses of adversity, as you like it, William Shakespeare. Life is a tale told by an idiot, Macbeth, William Shakespeare. All perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand, Macbeth, William Shakespeare. এবং এই কোটেশনটা বারবার রিপিট হয়েছে, মোস্ট ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট একটা কোটেশন। Cowards die many times before their death, Julius Caesar, William Shakespeare. The cards of true love never did run smooth, A Midsummer Night Dream, William Shakespeare. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merrily players, as you like it, William Shakespeare. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Sonnet 18, William Shakespeare. To be or not to be, that is the questions, Hamlet, William Shakespeare. Frailty, the name is women, Hamlet, William Shakespeare. Brevity is the soul of wit, Hamlet, William Shakespeare. There are more things in heaven and earth, Horatio, than are dreamt of in our philosophy, Hamlet, William Shakespeare. Above our life we love a steadfast friend, Christopher Marlowe. Come, live with me and be my friend, Christopher Marlowe. Oh, thou art fairer than the evening air clad in the beauty of 1,000 stars, Christopher Marlowe. Jigging veins of rhyming mother's wits, Christopher Marlowe. A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds, Francis Bacon. এবং ফ্রান্সিস বেকনের এই কোটেশনগুলো খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এবং বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষায় বারবার এসেছে। রিডিং মেক্স এ ফুল ম্যান, কনফারেন্স এ রেডি ম্যান, রাইটিং অ্যান এক্সাক্ট ম্যান, ফ্রান্সিস বেকন। সাম বুকস আর টু বি টেস্টেড, আদার টু বি সলয়েড, অ্যান্ড সাম ফিউ টু বি চিউয়েড অ্যান্ড ডাইজেস্টেড, ফ্রান্সিস বেকন। স্মল অ্যামাউন্টস অফ ফিলোসফি লিড টু অ্যাথিজম, but larger amounts bring us back to God, Francis Bacon. There are two tragedies in life. One is not to get your heart's desire, the other is to get it, G.B. Shaw. G.B. Shaw এখানে জর্জ বার্নার্ড শো। If you cannot get rid of the family skeleton, you may as well as make it dance, G.B. Shaw. There is no sincere love than the love of food, G.B. Shaw. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything, G.B. Shaw. Hell is full of musical amateurs. GB Show. Life isn't finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. GB Show. The government is the best, which governs least. Henry David Thoreau. England expects every man to do his duty. Horatio Nelson. Veni Vidi Vici. Julius Caesar. Give me good mother, I will give you a good nation. Napoleon Bonaparte. A leader is a dealer in hope. Napoleon Bonaparte. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. John Keats. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. John Keats. Beauty is truth, truth beauty. John Keats. My heart aches and a drowsy numbness pains. John Keats. Women are made to be loved, not understood. Oscar Wilde. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep. Robert Frost. Good face is the best letter of recommendation. Queen Elizabeth. Fair daffodils, we weep to see you haste away so soon. Robert Herrick. Man born to be free, and everywhere he is sane. Rousseau. A poem begins in delight and ends in wisdom. Robert Frost. Good fences make good neighbors. Robert Frost. Be ye never so high, the law is above you. Lord Justice Denning. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Martin Luther King. Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Martin Luther King. Know thyself. Socrates. An unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates. Water everywhere, nor a drop to drink. Aeschylodes. He prayed best, who loved best all things both great and small. Aeschylodes. Common sense in an uncommon degree is what the world calls wisdom. Aeschylodes. Nothing is so contagious as enthusiasm. Aeschylodes. Leisure is the mother of philosophy. Thomas Hobbes. Knowledge is power. Thomas Hobbes. Full many a flower is born to blush unseen, and wastes its sweetness in the desert air. Thomas Gray. Mona Lisa as older than rocks among which she sits. Walter Pater. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. T.S. Eliot. Immature poets imitate, mature poets steal. T.S. Eliot. Justice delight is justice denied. William Gladstone. Child is the father of a man. William Wordsworth. Behold her, single in the field, yon solitary, highlandless. Solitary রিভার থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে উইলিয়াম ওয়ার্ডসওয়ার্থ। The music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more. The Solitary River. William Wordsworth. 10,000 saw at a glance, touching their heads in sprightly dance. I wandered lonely as a cloud. William Wordsworth. Poetry is the spontaneous overflow of emotion. Lyrical ballads. William Wordsworth. The ocean is a mighty harmonist. Lyrical ballads. William Wordsworth. Faith is a passionate intuition. Lyrical ballads. William Wordsworth. The flower that smells the sweetest is shy and lowly. Lyrical ballads. William Wordsworth. Thanks for watching.